Hello creative friends, this is Monica Paruta from Stamperia and I'm here to show you the novelties for autumn and winter. And here we have Grand Hotel. Concerning interior design in a Grand Hotel, like vintage style, romantic style. First of all, you have two choices: classic 10 double-faced sheets block, but also the extra large one with 22 sheets and 2 covers you can use as well. So really a lot of papers inside, and everyone is a jewel inspired to texture, wallpapers, and also objects of vintage decoration with romantic colors and very pale and delicate combination of subjects and colors. Please discover it. It has to be discovered. Rice papers. This A3 size especially is useful for covering objects with the same subjects, but also the A4 size papers. Molds, maxi molds, and also stencils with nice flowers and arabesque. With these papers you can, for example, create something precious, nice, like this wonderful book. This book is made with nice embellishments and these precious papers. So did you like our novelties? I'm sure you liked them and you are ready to create with us. Products will be available soon in the shops. Thank you for following us and see you soon. Bye bye!